Universal Studio, and we're about to enter the main entrance. And I'll get back to you to find out how much the ticket will be. Would you like to eat first? We just got here in Universal Studio Japan, and it costs us 8,900 yen each. So let's enjoy and have fun here in USJ. Meron ditong snack and drink, and I think it's a turkey leg for 900 yen. And all the love you show, everybody. Welcome to Snoopy's Studio. So here we are in Snoopy's Studio for your kids to enjoy.
Bata to eh.
Yeah, for the kids. Okay, let's go here. Hey! Say hi to me, baby! Welcome to the magical world of Harry Potter. Welcome to Water World!
Water World.
And we are now in Minion Park at around 6:40 in the evening. It's so cold here. It's so alive here, and we have so much fun. Hello, YouTubers! Hello, YouTubers! Entering the Minion shop, so let's find out what we have here. So we got ball pens for around 1,400 yen. Look how nice! We also have your timber sweaters for 6,900. So cute! And of course, cups. for 3,800 yen.
Sumo.
Nice! Nice cup. I saw you.
Saw you.
Okay, how was it? How was it? How was the ride? How was the spider ride?
Fun.
Fun? I saw you.
I saw you.
Okay, how was it? How was it? How was the ride? How was the spider ride? Okay, Minions. Cell phone charm for 2,200 for pieces. And then I got
Socks.
socks, Snoopy socks, peanut socks for 1,400 for 2 pairs. And here I also got Kawaii, Elmo,
How much?
Minions, Dinosaur, Snoopy, and Spider-Man for 950.
Each?
Yes. Kawaii! Food stock set of 3 for 2,000. Pampasalubo. And then Spider-Man set of 3 for 2,000 also. And this one, Kawaii! Kawaii! Set of 6 for 2,800. Kawaii! Watching the parade, and let's call it a night. The theme park will be closed at 10 in the evening, and it's worth trying for. Don't forget to use the single pass when you come here. See you in our next video. This is Bumblebee, and please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button, and give us a thumbs up.